Hi everyone, this is Tanas with LegalTrek. As you can see, I'm in our settings page and now I'm going to go to matter settings to show you a new setting which writes show notes in matter page. Notes are something that we introduced, and let me move on to a matter to show you what happens when this is on. That enables our users to cooperate without necessarily writing tasks or comments. As we notice, not everyone is comfortable with writing tasks and comments. So as you can see here, into the details, which you can of course expand or hide, but let's say we hide them. Under those and over the tasks, you are able to see a notes page which allows all the contributors to the matter to edit and add notes. So you, instead of writing tasks for a project, you could be writing your notes here. So let's say you update your notes after every meeting. So these are the notes after the first meeting. Then let's say the first court session held that witnesses confirm the client's involvement in the deal was in good faith, or something similar, whichever. So once you click save, and as you can see, of course, this field is dynamic. It always stays. It gets updated for everybody who works on the matter and can always be edited and changed to contain new information. And notes can essentially be used as a way to communicate efficiently without relying on the tasks or comments. So we hope you use the notes, as you can also turn them on from the matter settings. Thank you for watching.